Sounds like the CK holiday. Yep.
This is your gateway for Galaxy Edge, Frontierland, Adventureland, the Bayou. Good afternoon and welcome to the Disneyland Railroad Holiday 4 train. For your safety and those around you, please remain seated at all times while you're on the train. It's a great photo op with all your favorite Pixar pals and everything Fantasyland.
The train. And please watch your kids.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren.
We're now joining up with the river.
Please make sure everyone's seated. All the little ones are seated down on their bottoms.
Go. This is my favorite part of the journey. Around every bend, there's natural beauty as far as the eye can see. There is the revered Indian shaman, sharing his stories with those in the great river valley below.
Please remain seated. She's got to be sitting back. Yep. Or on your lap. Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Traveling through nature's wonderland in a matter of days, rather than the months it used to take by mule or stagecoach. Steam power not only fueled these iron horses, but the dreams of a whole new generation as it moved west into this great frontier.
Stepped off the train. This is your stop for everything Fantasyland. Our brand new Pixar PAL show is just starting right now, so perfect timing. And of course, Mickey's Toontown. Welcome to Mickey's Toontown Depot.
As we leave Toontown Depot, we get a real nice view of the happiest land of them all, Fantasyland. You can see people stepping onto It's a Small World just below us. And, off in the distance, majestic Matterhorn Mountain. Below the monorail, and us, are the fun-filled roadways of the Autopia. Drivers of all ages can get behind the wheel of these cars. No experience or license required. We're pulling into Tomorrowland Station right now. If you're leaving us here, just stay seated until we come to a full stop. Gather your belongings, including lightsabers and astro blasters, and step carefully from the train. Thanks, and have fun in the future. The next leg of our journey will take us from the fantastic world of the future to the breathtaking beauty of nature's own design, the Grand Canyon. That was the Grand Canyon as we know it today. But it wasn't always this way. Now, let's travel back in time, way back in time, to the fantastic past of the primeval world, land of the dinosaurs.
empty right now on Main Street. Just a little bit, at least in this section. Well, guys, we're gonna now head over to DCA. Before I do, though, I'm gonna see. Well, hold on. Let me see if they have them over here. I don't think they do. Okay, so I'm gonna take one little detour to the refreshment corner to grab something very quickly, and then we'll be making our way to the car to get ready for tonight. Oh yeah, and before I forget, there it is. The Mickey Pumpkin is back. Probably the only time we'll be able to see it this season, but there it is. Right there. Taking a bunch of pictures in front of the Mickey Pumpkin right there. Well, I caved you guys. I'm bringing this guy home today. The abominable snowman from the Matterhorn. Well, guys, for as short as it was fun just being in Disneyland for a few minutes. But now it's time for the main event tonight, Oogie Boogie Bash. We're heading to the car right now as we speak. Almost all the trains are running today. I think there's 4 trains on the track today, because that's the Ernest S. Marsh right up there. So we saw the... Oh wait, maybe that was the one we saw earlier. Yeah, the Ernest S. Marsh is up there. Then we saw the E.P. Ripley. Then the C.K. Holiday. Didn't we see the Fred Gurley? I think we did. Didn't we? I don't remember. I lost track. Well, Ernest S. Marsh, I'll see you probably in November. Hello! All right. There we go.
Her son. How about you just got hired?
Already see a bunch of costumes over there. Some really good ones. I gotta say that, you know, it's just fun to putz around the park for a little bit. I know sometimes my vlogs are not always, you know, the most exciting, but I will say they are fun, right? I just saw Hercules right over there.
Seated with the doors closed. Keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram's moving. And supervise your children.
I completely forgot to say hello to the Mickey ball down there, and also the Luxo ball, which is right down there. Alright guys, well, I made it to the car. First things first, I gotta get out of this and into a pair of tights. I haven't worn these in years. Well, I bought these new, but I haven't worn tights in a very long time. Not since I was a mascot over 10 years ago. Not with like any particular company, just for a church organization I did years ago. Was it 10 years ago? More like 15 years ago, because it was a very long time ago. But yeah, anyways, I'm definitely not gonna undress here, so I'm gonna go downstairs to the restroom and switch out. I'll be right back. Whew. Boy, that took a few extra minutes, but I got the tights on, as you can see. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I gotta get ready here, because time right now is 6 o'clock. The official beginning of the event is right now. Didn't really get that many looks. I guess everybody thought I was maybe a performer or something, because honestly, I've seen people like this, but yeah. Or maybe I was a scuba diver or something. This looks like a wetsuit. It will be a wetsuit in about 5 hours after I take this thing off. Also, I just realized that I will not be able to go to the bathroom in this thing because I have no way to get this off unless I was to zip it down the back. So I'm in big trouble. So pray for me, you guys. This might be a long night for me. Thankfully, also, I won't have to worry about sunscreen. It is still kind of warm out there, but it's starting to cool off a little bit. So, won't be needing this. One more sip of my Gatorade. By the way, not sponsored, but Gatorade Lime Cucumber Pinot Limon. Yeah, good stuff. Number 1 in my opinion. I still like lemon lime, but this one beats the competition. I'm putting on the shoes, or should I say the slippers. Oh, I just realized. Whoops, he doesn't wear this. There we go. That's more like it. I'll be wearing one of the gloves, so that way I can at least hold on to the camera with my normal hand. And now, the icing on the cake. Yeah! Alrighty guys, let's go! Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button and click the bell icon to be notified of when a new video will be going live. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more Disneyland fun. To stay connected, follow me on Instagram at Shaun Allen Films and follow my other channels, the Educational Series, the Vlog Series, and the Travel Town Series. As always, thanks for watching.